The next step is to get a local Rails server running. We're going to run a web server right in the Cloud IDE. I like to do this in a new terminal tab. I use the main terminal for executing commands, and then use a new one for running the server because the server actually takes over the tab. So here we go, new terminal, cd hello app, and then Rails server. Now the way to look at it on the Cloud IDE is to go to Preview and then Preview Running Application. You can spawn it into a new window here. Now you can see that we've got an error. Now I showed this to you intentionally because this is the error I ran into when I updated the tutorial to Rails 6. So what did I do? I applied my technical sophistication. In this case, I did some Google searches. I don't remember the exact things. It was probably something like Cloud9, blocked host, Ruby on Rails. The solution I found involves clearing the so-called hosts in the local development environment. Now the truth is, I don't actually 100% understand how this works, but I tried it and it does. The file we need to edit is in the configuration directory, or config, environments, development.rb. So here we'll say this is a comment character, not crucial to understand. We'll be covering this later in the tutorial. But this is a comment saying, let's allow connections to local server. And this is the command I found, config.host.clear. Let's use Control-C. You can see Control-C to stop. We'll use Control-C to stop it, up arrow, Rails server, and see if it works. And there we go. Yay, you're on Rails. This isn't quite Hello World yet, but we've taken a big step in that direction.